We've all been in classrooms, we've all had teachers, but here's a question most of us never ask. What actually is teaching? Is it delivering information? Is it standing in front of a class? Is it explaining something clearly? If you think teaching is just telling people what you know, you're missing the most important part. The Oxford textbook defines teaching as an activity aimed at bringing about meaningful learning. Notice the word learning. Not telling, not explaining. Learning. Other definitions add that teaching is a process of facilitating learning. Teaching is a social activity. Teaching is intentional. It has a purpose. So teaching isn't just about what the teacher does. It's about what the student actually learns. What makes teaching different from other activities? First, teaching is dynamic. It changes with the student, the situation, the subject. Second, teaching is interactive. It requires two-way communication, not a monologue. Third, teaching is purposeful. It aims to bring change in knowledge, skill, or attitude. Fourth, teaching is professional. It requires skill, not just knowledge. And fifth, teaching is both art and science. Science gives us methods, structure, evidence. Art gives us creativity, connection, intuition. This is why a textbook can't teach, and why YouTube tutorials aren't the same as a real teacher. Let's go deeper. The textbook lists several characteristics of teaching. 1. Teaching is a triangular process. Teacher, student, subject matter. All three must interact. 2. Teaching is continuous. It doesn't stop after the bell rings. 3. Teaching is goal-oriented. Every lesson has an objective. 4. Teaching is a complex process. It involves planning, execution, evaluation. 5. Teaching is diagnostic. A teacher identifies problems and addresses them. 6. Teaching is remedial. It fixes gaps in understanding. 7. Teaching is democratic. It respects the learner's voice. Take a moment. Think of the best teacher you ever had. How many of these do they have? For UGC NET aspirants, questions on the nature and characteristics of teaching appear frequently. But even beyond the exam, this matters. Because when you understand what teaching really is, you become a better learner. You stop waiting to be taught and start taking responsibility for your own learning. And if you're someone who will teach someday, this understanding makes you better from day one. So next time someone says teaching is easy, you know better. In the next video, we'll look at the objectives of teaching, why we teach what we teach,